we will keep the position of the bolster. If you did it flat, put something on the top. Yeah, we will turn around on the back. Yeah. Now, before you go, yeah, again here you can choose to do it with the legs open like we did before, and you can put pillows or blankets, yeah? Or you can bend the legs or you can extend. Yeah. Now, once you are on the bolster, try to check that your lower back is comfortable, okay? Again, you can put your blanket. And so, rounding a little bit just to feel the lower back. Yeah. And expand, put the back of the neck. Good. Nice and comfy. Okay, good. And again, you can cross the legs. You can extend the legs, bending or stretching. Yeah. Good. So you stay in that position, okay? Now, we will do a little, you are already working hips there and lower back. Yeah? So you are working still your second chakra. Yeah? You are still having that orange light coming from beneath, absorbing. Yeah, this position is just to allowing and to receiving and to absorbing. Yeah, it's pure receiving. Yeah. But we are in the heart chakra here because you have the chest open. So still you have that cocoon tinted with the unlimited and unconditional loving energy. Yeah. So today, because we already have the sensation that you are protected and safe, because we work with the healing energy before, and it's also the energy of the heart center, I will invite you now, as you keep relaxing on that position, that you are still in the cocoon. Yeah? So you are protected, you are supported by the planet, you are receiving that loving energy, you are receiving the healing energy, you are receiving the energy of the second chakra. Imagine that you are giving permission now to receive. I really believe that what is going on at the moment, probably you heard about soul retrieval. So we will do it like a little bit of soul retrieval. Because I truly believe that what we are living at the moment, for protection, we are letting escape part of us. Yeah, part of our soul, our emotional body is like leaving us just to a place where it's more secure. Yeah. And sometimes, I don't know, it's happened to you that you feel that you are not fully there. Yeah, that is something missing. Yeah, and I truly believe that is all those parts of ourselves that we are protecting deeply and we are letting escape again to a place secure somewhere in, I don't know, you can call it in the higher self, the higher energy, another dimension, whatever you prefer to believe. Yeah. So I invite you now that you feel that you are secure and loved and, protected here. Imagine that you are calling with your heart all those parts of yourself that there are somewhere, and tell those parts that they can come in back because you are secure, that you are safe in this space. Yeah? So imagine that you are calling with your beautiful energy those parts of your heart that they left, and bring it back. Imagine that you are bringing back the whole of you here and now. Even if you don't have to know what parts you let go, they escape. Just imagine that you are calling back your whole self here right now, to your heart, to the very core of your heart and the very core of your being. You are supported. Yeah, that bolster beneath you is holding you there secure. You have the support of the planet. Imagine the roots are not only grounding deeply, strongly on the planet. Imagine that they are interconnected with each other. Yeah. So imagine all our roots, even just the people that we are here in this class. Yeah. Imagine that all our roots are touching, are connected, that we are giving to ourselves and to all of us that deeply support and that deeply understanding. Yeah? So imagine that we are helping each other here to feel as much secure and safe that we need to absorb back those parts of ourselves. Yeah, so imagine calling you back, call you back, bring you back, bring the whole of your being back here to your heart, to your body, to your mind, to your soul, to the whole of your being. Yeah. So imagine every breath that you are taking, you are receiving back with your open arms, all of you, every part of you. Bring it back, absorb it. And then if you like now, you can bring, if you like, you don't have to. You can bring your hands to your heart. Yeah, touching your chest. And it's like you are checking that you brought everything back. Yeah, imagine that you are getting used to all those parts that they came back. And feel or imagine how you feel when you are whole and complete. And just breathe a couple of times, encouraging that feeling, yeah, that you are back, you are whole again. And then slowly, taking your time, you can expand your arms to the sides or back and spread softly. And in that stretch again, imagine feeling again yourself, your whole being back together. And remember that you have that healing energy around you, the green and the pink. Yeah. So the unlimited and unconditional loving energy and the healing energies putting back all those parts together, healed completely. Then slowly coming back, go rounding, bring your knees to one side, your legs to one side, and make a little ball on the floor. Put your hands beneath your head, make a little pillow. Then slowly coming back to the sitting position. Well done. And we will take the bolster out and we will go to Shavasana. Yeah. So you can put your block, your bolster beneath your knees, yeah, pillows, everything that you need, blankets, yeah. Good. And your blanket so nice and comfy, yeah. Relaxing, nice and open, yeah, your legs, your arms, nice and comfy. If you feel that the lower back is not comfortable, you put your pillows beneath your knees, yeah, or maybe you want to put the legs on a chair, yeah, Susan. Good. So you stay there, yeah, look for your more comfortable position. Put your blanket. Yeah? So again, I will lead you to the relaxation and I will lead you back to sit. If you want to stay lying down and stay forever there until tomorrow, you are more than welcome. Yeah? Okay? So again, visualize your roots. Yeah, you are absorbing from the planet. Yeah, you are receiving still that orange, yeah, to keep working on the second chakra. You are absorbing the pink and the green. Yeah, so all those energies keep going into yourself. You have your cocoon, pink and green. Yeah. So imagine that you are receiving more and more those energies, more and more. And those energies are like helping you to glue back those parts of yourself that you brought back on the last visualization. Yeah? So imagine those energies are helping you to put every part back and maybe in a better position than before. Yeah. So imagine that you are having an upgrade of yourself. Yeah. And then we will receive another flow of energy. Imagine that I send in this energy from here, yeah, with the same love and care that we always share when we are together in the studio. Yeah. So imagine that energy going now there. And will enter into your body and will give you more relaxation, more comfort, more peace, more the feeling of being loved completely and accepted as whole and as you are right now. Yeah? So imagine that energy there on the sole of your feet, on your heels, and imagine that energy moving up through the sole of your feet, your toes, your ankles, your lower legs, your knees, your thighs and your hips, your lower back, middle back, upper back, your whole spine, your shoulder blades, your shoulders. And imagine that energy moving through your arms, toward your hands, your fingers. And imagine that energy moving up through your wrists, elbows, shoulders, the back of your neck, the back of your head, the crown of your head, your face, your neck, your chest, your belly, allowing your body to surrender completely to the floor and going deeply inside now and relax, relax, relax. slowly. Really slowly. Allow your awareness to get back to your body and start to bring some movements to your hands, to your feet, moving your fingers, your toes, moving your head side to side, and bringing your arms back and lengthen and stretch. And from there we go to one side, bending your knees, and we go to a sitting position, crossing your legs, breathing deeply. Now again, if you like, you can put your hands again to your heart or your belly and take another deep breath and imagine rechecking that you have all those parts back, that you have your cocoon, all those energies around you. And imagine or feel that this work is keep working, that it didn't finish right now. You are still bringing back, receiving, so it's like we open a beautiful door to keep receiving and to keep healing. Now give a big thanks to yourself for taking the time to join this class tonight. And I thank you for sharing your time and your practice with me. Thank you. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the class. Now don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my other videos and classes. See you next time. Bye.